How to log into Tonkeeper Wallet. If you would like to log into your Tonkeeper Wallet account, it's very simple. First of all, you launch the Tonkeeper Wallet tab. If you do not have a wallet, you can tap on Create New Wallet option in order to create a new wallet. If you already do have a wallet, you can just tap on the Import Existing Wallet option. Now, there are many ways to import your wallet. You can import wallet with your 24 or 12 secret recovery words, with your watch account, with your testnet account. You can also log in by pairing with Signa or pairing with Keystone or pairing with Leer. Now, depending upon how you have backed up your recovery phrase, if you have backed up as a secret recovery phrase, you can click on import wallet, enter the 12 or the 24 word recovery code, and then after that you'll be able to log into your Tonkeeper wallet. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.